What's up, guys? I'm back again, and today we're going to be eating some barbecue ribs. Today I got barbecue ribs at a barbecue spot called Rick's Rollin Smokehouse. If you can see here, here's the logo. So the shop here is, if you guys know the kind of popular TV show called Pawn Shop, the guy there, the bald guy there in that show, he opened up his own barbecue joint, and I've heard great reviews about it, and they even say they're the #1 barbecue spot in Las Vegas. They actually say #1 barbecue spot in Nevada is the sign. So very big claim, and I'm here to try it out, review it, and see if it's good in general. But yeah, let me get started. So today I actually ordered the trio of ribs, and I am trying 3 different types of ribs right here. If you look here, we got beef ribs. Look how beautiful this is, nice and big. They're giving us 2 St. Louis ribs and 3 baby back ribs right here. And I got their smoked mac and cheese, which sounds really delicious. So yeah, enough talking. The #1 barbecue spot in Las Vegas. But before that, I got a drink, and as you guys know, I'm drinking Chang's beer from Thailand. And no, this time I won't be pouring it in ice. I know that made some people a little cringy. But yeah, great beer. Try it out, guys. Really good. Good on a hot summer day, and it's hot in Las Vegas. But enough with talking. Man, let's get right into it. So yeah, I wanted to try out all the ribs, all 3 different ribs, just to kind of see the difference between them. It looks really good. Like I said, #1 barbecue spot in Las Vegas. That's their claim. And let's give it a shot. So I want to try out the mac and cheese first. Wow, look at that. Just mix it up a little bit. Wow. You know what I like about this mac and cheese? It's that it's not too thick and baked. It's like more of a runny mac and cheese, or like melted cheese. And I really like that type of style of mac and cheese. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Okay. First bite. Smoked mac and cheese. Let's see what it's all about. That's really delicious. That's really delicious. There's a lot of black pepper in here for sure. I can tell they're using crushed black pepper, so it gives it a nice, that peppery taste that kind of goes with barbecue. Then that smokiness there, that is there. I can't explain it. It's like it tastes. It gives you kind of like a smell of like barbecue smoke, but not like a fake way. Really good. Cheese is nice and creamy. Almost like I think they put some type of barbecue rub seasoning in there. I can't explain it. There's a little red tinge color to it. I didn't want to say cayenne, but there's some type of barbecue seasoning in here that they put in here. It's really good. I like it. It actually feels pretty light too. Like I can destroy this whole thing right now. Yeah, that's good. That's good mac and cheese, guys. Oh, all right. Now, the next one we're going to go into. They give us some pickles right here, just to kind of freshen up the palate, and some bread in the bottom, white bread. So, look at this. Whoa. Beef rib right here. Wow. Jeez. Ooh. Fall off the bone. Ooh, literally fall off the bone. Look at this. Just like in the barbecue sauce. Nice. We got some pieces on here, but wow, look at this beauty. Beef rib. They have their sweet style barbecue sauce on here, but I'm just gonna take a nice bite and see what the flavor is, how tender it is. Let's go. Mmm. Oh my gosh. It is so delicious. If you look here, there's a little nice red tinge here. It's been smoked perfectly. The fat content of the beef rib is very perfect because it really keeps the rib moist. And there's like fattiness that's been kind of grilled, cooked down slowly, which is so good. Oh my goodness. Let me take another bite. Ooh. Mmm. Mm-hmm. The edges are nice and crispy and a little crunchy. But as you get into the center here, super tender, nice salty. There's a good salty, not like overly salty. It has a really nice saltiness to it. Then back down here, if you look here, if you cut down here, this is part of the fat right here, which is amazing. It's really simple. I think they just put salt and black pepper. I don't taste anything else. And of course a little bit of barbecue sauce. Wow. Let me try with some barbecue sauce right here. This is their spicy sauce right here. Let's give it a go. I heard the guy said spicy is one of the best, but the yellow mustard one's better. So I'm gonna try both. Wow. That spicy sauce, pretty much sweet barbecue sauce with a little kick, but not that, it's good. Let's try the yellow mustard. This guy told me, said the mustard goes the best with the beef one, so I'm gonna give it a try. Wow. Guys, that was amazing. That beef, like I said, that beef rib, if you never tried it, definitely order it. It's so much different from pork. It's really good. It's super good, guys. All right, next one. Oh, they gave us some white bread too, so, you know, that's awesome to kind of kill it out. All right, next one, we got the St. Louis style ribs right here. This is probably very common. Everybody sees this. Nice barbecue sauce. Let me see. Let's see if they got a perfect smoke ring. They do. They have a smoke ring there, so it's been smoked good. Let's give it a bite. I like to give it a bite on the top here. This is where they have the cartilage here, and if I can eat that, then this rib has been cooked great. Wow. That is super tender. And it's not fall off your bone. Believe it or not, if you're smoking real good barbecue, fall off the bone means you just cooked it too long, overly. It's tender, but it's just easy, like it should just be bite off the bone. That's how tender it should be. That's a good barbecue right there. That's a good sign. Let me explain. See? Bite off the bone, nice and tender. It holds its shape, but it's super tender. That's a good barbecue when you know from ribs. Sauce, I mean, I'm not impressed with any barbecue sauce because for the most part, most of them taste the same. But this rib is, whoa, super tender. The seasoning is really good, really well balanced here. Really brings out more of the porkiness flavor, which I like. I think they kept it really simple. Nice level of fat content here, which helps keeping the meat moist. That's finger licking good. Wow. And a good cold beer to wash it down. All right. I like a little bread. Just to kind of get some carbs in. Let's get some more mac and cheese. A little bit more mac and cheese. Change the palate a little bit. Little pickle. I love pickles. For this, non-Indian style, Indian curry style. All right, let's get to the last one. Here are the baby back ribs. Nice and small, as you can see. You know, baby back ribs, I never got to really eat this much like at home or different restaurants. I always just thought of like Applebee's baby back ribs. So, and then they're all right, but same thing here. They got a nice smoke ring. Look up here, nice smoke ring. So it's been smoked well. I guess they're using that spicy normal barbecue spice, that normal sweet barbecue sauce right here, and the green onions on top. Let's give it a try. Okay, I gotta take another bite to understand what's going on here. Really delicious. You can really taste the smokiness of this. I would say the meat is a little bit, man, it's so hard to say. I mean, they're all tender because they've been cooked correctly, but for sure, the baby back ribs has more of a tender taste because it's a smaller animal. Seasoning is well balanced as well, and yeah. Baby back ribs are good. My favorite definitely is the beef ribs. I mean, this is just so big and different and just delicious. Man, this will fill you up. It's just so good. It just has a nice beefy flavor, nice and tender. It just has some substance to it. The crispiness and the crunch of the fat on the top and the skin, super delicious. Definitely here, my favorite thing of this is the beef ribs, guys. It's so big. Is it the best barbecue in Las Vegas? I can't really say because there's still more for me to try out. But is it good? Is it delicious? Yes. Hell yes. I mean, I am not disappointed about eating this. This is delicious. The flavors are amazing. So good. It's really good here, guys. And it's for the price of it, it's worth it. Please, if you're in Las Vegas, give them a try. Try the TRIO ribs. They give you one big, gigantic beef rib, 2 St. Louis pork ribs, and 3 baby back ribs, which they're all delicious. No complaint about it. The mac and cheese is wonderful. Check them out. I mean, I don't know if they're the best barbecue in Las Vegas, but they're damn pretty good. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. And please subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. I hope you guys can try out this barbecue yourself. and I'll see you guys again. Take care.